Good day, ma'am. We are Group 1, and today we were tackling about the polarity method of voting and board account method of voting. By the way, I am Vinasol Diaban and I am your first reporter of the day. This presentation introduces a comparative analysis of two distinct voting systems, polarity and board account. The presentation will explore the mechanics of each system, showing how they work in practice. It will also explore potential results from each system and discuss their respective strengths and weaknesses. In short, it aims to provide a clear understanding of the processes, outcomes, advantages, and disadvantages of plurality and board account voting method.
Good day, everyone. This is Kate Abarca. The plurality method. Only first place votes are considered, even if a preference list ballot is submitted. Only the voter's first choice will be counted. It could have been a single vote cast. The candidate with the most votes win. The winner does not need a majority of votes, but simply have more votes than the other candidates. Here's the example. Step 1. Count first place votes. The table shows number of first place votes each candidate received. Candidate A have 5 votes. Candidate B have 4 votes. Candidate C have 4 votes. So, let's determine the winner. The candidate with the most first place votes wins. In this case, candidate A has 5 votes, which is more than candidate B and candidate C. So the answer is candidate A wins the plurality vote with 5 first place votes.
Again, good day everyone. My name is Mike L. Abituna. And example number 2. Find the winner of the following election if the plurality method is used. So in this table, nagpakita siya nga ang A mo'y gidaog sa election because siya ang nakakuha sa majority vote. And masabtan na siya pero maghatag pa og isa ka example para masabtan gid siya. For example, in this section, 10 years from now, naimudagan pagka-president, si Kyle, si John, and si Christian. If si Christian ang nakakuha sa majority vote, so siya ang daog sa election. So ang ato lang timan-an nga, kung kinsay nakakuha sa majority vote, mo siya'y daog. So dali na siya masabtan. Kung kinsa lang ang majority, mo siya'y daog. So next slide. Plurality voting and board account voting. Naani sila advantage and disadvantage. Plurality voting, ang advantage niya, it's easy for voters to understand and for election officials to count. The process is straightforward and requires minimal explanation. And the disadvantage, plurality voting can elect a winner without majority support, leading to a less representative outcome and encouraging strategic voting. So masabtan naman siya. And so next is board account voting. Ang advantage niya, board account voting provides a more representative outcome by considering all voters' rankings, reducing the impact of strategic voting. And the disadvantage, the board account can be complicated, may be affected by less popular candidates, and doesn't always choose the candidate preferred by most voters and head-to-head comparisons. So, masabtan naman siya.
Good morning, everyone. I am Francis Denver B. Adepa. I will be your fourth reporter. The board count method is a voting system where points are assigned to candidates based on the ranking on each voter's ballot. The candidate rank first receives the highest number of points, the second ranked candidate receives the second highest number of points, and so on, with the last candidate receiving 0 points. Example, for candidates assign points as follows. First place vote is worth 1 point, second place vote is worth 2 points, and so on down to last place vote worth is 0 points. The candidate's total points are referred to as his or her Borda score. Example number 1. Determine the winner of the following election if the Borda count method is used. There are 3 candidates who are A, B, and C are competing. There are 5 voters, 5 individuals cast their votes. The ranking system, each voter ranks the first candidate from first to third place. First place gets 2 points, and the second place gets 1 point, and the third place gets 0 points. The table shows how each voter ranked the candidates. Voter number 1 vote first goes to A, second goes to B, third goes to C. The second voter vote first goes to A, second goes to B, third goes to C. The third voter vote first goes to A, second goes to B, third goes to C. The fourth voter vote first goes to B, second goes to C, third goes to A. The fifth voter vote first goes to B, second goes to C, third goes to A. Total points of first rank is 2 and the second 2 points, and the second is 1 point, and the third is got 0 points. The total Borda score of each candidate: A got 6 points and candidate B got 7 points and candidate C got 2 points, which is candidate B is the winner.
So, magandang araw sa lahat. Ako nga pala si Kyle Bruce V. Alfaro, ang huling mag-report. So, sa example number 2 sa Borda, kay dali rin siya, which is like ipagpili lang ang mga student or i-rank nila ang pinakaganahan nila padulong sa kinagamyan nilang gusto. So, for example, kay ang number sa voter kay 8 ka buok. So, magbutang taog bali A 5 sila ka buok, A, B, C, D, E. Muna sila A, B, C, D, E. Tapos ilang rank kay 2, 2, 1, 1, 1, 1. Tapos ang points pod kay 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. So sa first column kay pangitaon na to calculate na to ang column A kung pila sila tanan. So ang sa first column niya kay pila ka A, 2 sila. Pero ang rank niya kay A2 ug A1. So i-plus nimo ang 2 plus 1. Tapos butangan nimo sa og kaning point niya kay bali mo na siya ang kaning dapit sa kaning sa ubos niya kaning Borda score by candidate 3 open parenthesis 4 then close parenthesis bali mura sag i-times ana then plus na pod sa second column niya kay pangitaon na pod mo yang A, so wala man siya A, so 0 lang siya, 0. Tapos yang points kay 3 imo gyapon sang ibutang sa candidate 0 open parenthesis 3 then close parenthesis plus na pod sa third column na pod pangitaon na po nimong A, so ang A sa kadayod kay isa lang kabuok. So iyang rank kay 1. So ibutang nimo sa diri sa candidate 1. Tapos iyang points kay 2 man. So i-times 2 na siya, open parenthesis 2, close parenthesis. I-plus na pod sa pangka-fourth nga column. So pangitaon nimong A, so isa ra gapon, isa ra yang A. So 1 gapon yang rank, tapos i-times 1 nimo siya. Times 1. Tas na siya. So ang total score niya kay imo na siyang i-calculate na sila tanan. Ang overall nila nga answer kay is 15. Kay 3 times 4 is equal to 12. Plus 0 times 3 kay 0 na siya. Plus 1 times 2 is 2, 14 na. Plus 1 times 1, 1, 15. Plus 3 times 0 is 0 gapon siya. So ang final answer niya kay 15 ang sa A. Dire na punta sa B. Sa B. So ang sa first column niya, ang B kay isa lang sa kabuok. Yang rank niya kay 1, nasa taas, rank 1. Tapos parehakson gapon nato sa kuan sa pag-solve sa A sa first column. Bali 1 yang rank i-times sa yang kuan 4 points kay first column niya kay first 4 points man, second 3 points ana 210. Dire na punta sa second column kay yang B kay kuan 2 ka buok. So ilang rank nila kay kuan 2. I-plus nimo nang 2 plus 2 is 4. I-times din nila silang points, so 3 sa second column nila, 3 mo to sa nga 4. Ang sa candidate na kay 4, open parenthesis 3, close parenthesis. Dayon plus na pod sa third column na ta. Kay mangita na po tag B. So wala man sa B. Wala na siya, 0 na. To yang point sa kay 2 man siya, so 0. Open parenthesis 2, close parenthesis 2 ana. Dayon plus dapod siya sa pagka-upat nga column. So ang B niya kay 2. So yang rank sa B kay ang isa kay 1. Pareha sila 1. Sa taas makita. So taas ilang points kay 1 pod. So ibutang gapon nimo siya. Ibutang ra nimo siya. I-plus pa nimo 1 plus 1 2. Rank i-plus animong rank daan 1 plus 1 kay 2. I-times din nimo sa 1. So mo na siya 2, open parenthesis 1, close parenthesis. Then sa last dayon plus kay ang sa last column niya kay pangitaon nimo B, isa ra gapon kabuok. So 1 point yang rank, 0 man niya ang unsa ni yang point. So 1 times 0 na siya. So imo sang calculate tanan pila answer. 1 times 4 kay 4 plus 4 times 3 is 12. 16 na. Dayon 0 times 2 kay 0. 16 lang gapon. Plus 2 times 1 2, so 18. Plus 1 times 0 kay 0. So yung final answer kay 18. Ingani lang gapon sa pag-answer sa C, D. Ang sa C column third column kay nga naon gapon pagtaon nimo ang yang C sa first column kung pila yang rank, then points times nga naon lang gapon sa para sa A ug B kani sila tanan. So pag solve mo ana tanan, imo na siyang i-calculate tanan ilang final answer. Mo na rin na dayon. So mura ra gapon siya sa plurality kay ang pinakadako mo daog gyapon. So ang nidaog ani kay is ang B, mo pinakadako 18. So mo na siya ang pag-solve sa kuan borda. Example to man. So sa conclusion kay ang plurality is kung kinsa ang masikat mao na toy dako, pero iyang bikil is dili tanan nakagusto, so maong dili siya patas. While sa Borda method kay mabutang siya nga patas kay naaman kay choices nimo kung unsa imong gusto, dili pareha sa plurality nga direct na kamo ingon na mao na imong i-like, which is nag-focus ra ka sa isa. And that's all. Thank you.